Let's start with exercise 6.5, question number 8. At what point in the interval 0 to 2 pi, close interval 0 to 2 pi, does the function sin 2x attain the maximum value? Attain the maximum value means we have to find f dash of x. After finding f dash of x, we have to find critical point. After finding critical point, at three places you have to check 0 at critical point, first of all at a critical point, and 0 and 2 pi. Is it? So how we'll do it? You have to find fx is sin 2x. You have to find f dash of x, then you have to equate f dash of x to 0. You will get critical point. So at critical point 0 and 2 pi, you have to check the value. If f of x, any value which is greater, then that is called the maximum value. Okay. So sin fx is equal to sin 2x, derivative with respect to x, f dash of x is 2 cos 2x. For critical point, you have to equate to 0, so cos 2x is equal to 0. Now 0, can you find 0? What is a 0? 0 is of cos function. 0 is 2n pi plus minus pi by 2. This is fixed. For cos function, it is always 2n pi plus minus pi by 2 wherever it is, because it is a cos 0. Okay, so x is equal to n pi. If you divide 2 this whole term, then x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 4. Is it? So now you have to check by taking different value of n. If n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 implies this. N is equal to 0 means this is 0, so it will be x is equal to pi by 4. Is it? Now n is equal to 1. If we take n 1, take minus sign in between, so n pi minus pi by 4, it is 3 pi by 4. Is it? Now check n is equal to 2, take plus minus, first time plus, so 2 pi, you have to take 2 pi plus pi by 4, so 8. Okay, understand? So what will get? Maybe 4 2 is 8 minus, so take minus 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, so 5 by 4. Is it? And take minus, then 4, here will be in place of n, what will be 2, so 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1, that is 7 pi by 4. Is it? Okay. Is it clear? So you have to take n is equal to 2, so minus, so you will get 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and x is equal to, also you will get 7 pi by 4. So these are the value where it is become 0. Got it? At pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 by 4, and 7 pi by 4. Is it clear? Okay. Getting or not? Even if you take plus c here, say for 1, okay, plus you take 2 pi, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 10, 10 by 2. Is it? So leave it that one, it is, so 5, you will get 5 pi by 4. Is it? You take 2 4 2s are 8 minus pi by, so 8 minus 1 7. Okay, like this you can get the different value of it. It is okay, and substitute. Then what is a critical point? This all are critical point. This we can be taken. We can take plus minus anything. Is it? You have to choose some certain value. 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 by 4. Keep on adding. We'll get it. It is and 7 by 4. Okay. So f of 0 is equal to 0. So sin 0 is 0. Pi by 4. If you substitute 2 sine in place of x pi by 4, you will get pi by 2, which value is 1. And if you do this 3 pi by 2, you will minus 1. And if you take 5 pi by 4, you will get value as 1. And 7 pi by 4, you will get a value minus 1. Is it? These are there. And also you have to check the at the end point. End point means 2 pi. So therefore we are taking f is equal to 2 pi 0. So the function attained the maximum value at pi by 4 and 5 by 5. Is it? 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is 1, and also pi by 4 is 1, so it attained the maximum value. Rest is 0 and minus 1. Is it? So function attained the maximum value at pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Let's move on to question number 9. What is the maximum value of function sine plus cos in the interval 0 to pi by 2? So what you have to say, first f dash of x equal to 0, find its critical point, and also critical point plus 0 and pi, you have to check which value is more, that will be the maximum. So fx is equal to sin x plus cos x, derivative with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x. For critical point, f dash of x is equal to 0, therefore tan is equal to 1, tan x is equal to 10 pi by 4. So and tan x is equal to 1 can also be there, 3 pi by 4, is it? Okay, or 5 pi by 4. So we can get x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Here tan x is equal to 1. Okay, where is the value of tan 1? It is in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant. Tan is positive. No, third quadrant. So third quadrant. Is it at first quadrant and the third quadrant, I think. Is it? The tan is positive. So first quadrant means pi by 4 and third quadrant means pi plus pi by 4. So it is 5 pi by 4. 5 plus pi by 4 means 5 pi by 4. So x is equal to 5 by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. So 0, if you substitute 0 now 0. So 1 you get, then pi by 4, you'll get root 2, 5 pi by 4. Is it? You have to split it, pi by 4 like this if you don't get value straight away. Or you can see this column. I'll show you that column. Okay. So it is minus, so minus root 2. Then also we have to check at 2 pi. So 2 pi is equal to this. So cos sine 2 pi is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. So 1. Is it? So maximum value what you can see 1 at 0. And also at 2 pi. Is it? So no, 1.44. Root means 1.44. So root 2 is maximum value. So maximum value is root 2 at pi by 4. See this chart and take the snapshot of it. Is it? This is here, all function is positive. Here sine function is positive. Here cot and tan is positive. And here what is that? Cos is positive. So I said tan is positive at what? First and third. So here it is pi by 4. Here it is pi. So 5 pi plus pi by 4 is becomes 5 pi by 4. So we have to check when tan is 1 at here first quadrant, pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. You can learn this also. See here tan 1 at pi by 4. Where is another value of 1? Is it? At 5 pi by 4 value is 1. Maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in interval, close interval 1 and 3, and also find the maximum value of the same function in minus 3 to minus 1. How will find the maximum value? First you have to take f dash of x. After taking f dash of x, equate it to 0 to find the critical point. So at critical point and this point for 1 and 3 you have to find maximum value, and also minus 1 and minus 3 and minus 1 you have to find the maximum value. To find maximum value at minus 3 and minus 1 you have to find f of minus 3, f of minus 1, f of 1 and f of 3, and also at those critical point. Is it? So again it is the same. Again I am repeating what you have to do. First you have to find f of x, f dash of x, equate f dash of x to 0, find the critical point. At the critical point, okay, at the critical point and this interval 1 and 3, find f of 1, f of 3 and f of that whatever the critical point comes. Whichever the maximum value will be maximum value for the interval 1 and 3. Then they ask us to find at minus 3 and minus 1 also. So minus 3, minus 1 and compare it with f of 0, whatever the critical point, whichever the maximum, that will call the maximum value. Is it? F of minus 3, f of minus 1 like this. Is it? So f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107, derivative with respect to s. For critical value, equate it to 0, so 24, so you'll get x is equal to plus minus 2. For maximum and minimum value, we have to find out this one, is it? Combine, we are finding at both the interval. So minus 1, 129, is it? And 1, 85, minus 2, 139, 2, 75, 3, 89, minus 3, 125. You have to check at what was a critical point. Critical point we got plus minus 2. So plus minus 2 this, and let's check for the first interval 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So this 4 you have to compare. What is the maximum? 139 minus 2. Got it? Here. Sorry. What do you have to check? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Is it? 1 and 3. So interval 1, 85, 89. It is, and minus 2, 139 minus 2. So we are not finding it. Plus 2, 75. So 89 is the maximum value at 1 and 3. Is it? Because 1, 3, what it comes is 1, 2, 3. So plus 2, 75. So we have to check for this interval 1 and 3 means 1, 2 and 3. So at 1 is 85, 2 is 75, 3 is 89. So which is maximum? Again 1 is 85, 2 is 75, 3 is 89. Which is maximum? 89. So 89 is a maximum value for the interval 1 and 3. For now let's check for minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3 means minus 1. So to check at minus 1. So to check at minus 3 and minus 2. Got it? So minus 1, minus 3 and minus 2. Which is a greater value? 139. So 139 is a maximum value. In that x is equal to 1, the function x is to 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attain the maximum value on the interval 0 to 2. Find the value of a. Is it? F of x given, derivative with respect to x. Now it attained a maximum value at x is equal to 1, means f dash of 1 is equal to 0. What is given? The function attained the maximum value at x is equal to 1 means f dash of x is equal to 1. Okay, substitute in f dash of x and equate it, you will get the value a is equal to 120. Minimum value of x plus sine 2x on 0 to pi. You have to find if fx is given. First you have to find f dash of x, equate it to 0 to find the critical point. After getting critical point, you have to find f of critical point 0 and 2 pi. Which will be the maximum value? That will be the maximum, and which is minimum? That will be the minimum value of the function. So f of x is equal to x plus sine 2x, f dash of x this for critical point, equated f dash of x is equal to 0. So cos 2x is equal to minus half. Cos 2x is equal to minus half is what? Pi minus pi by 3. Cos is minus, is it? Pi by 3. At half value is pi by 3. First you have to check where the cos is half. Cos is half at where? Pi by 3. Got it? Cos value half. Don't see sign. First say half. Where is half value? Pi by 3. Is it? Pi by 3 is a half. Now you go for minus. Where is cos minus? Cos minus in all s second. Is it? So pi minus pi by 3 is the result of half. So you have to substitute cos 2x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. So cos 2x is equal to cos plus and also cos plus pi by 3. There also it is negative. Second and third quadrant. Is it? So cos 2x is equal to cos. If you subtract, you will get 2 pi by 3. Here is if you add it, you will get 4 pi by 3. So 2x is equal to 2 pi by 3, and 2x is equal to 4 pi by 3. So if you simplify it, you will get x is equal to pi by 3. X is equal to 2 pi by 3. So for maximum and minimum value, you have to find at x is equal to, because the interval given as intervals given as 0 to pi, so you have to check at 0 to pi, and also you have to check at pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Is it? So f of 0, so you'll get 0. f of pi by 3, it is easy. You'll get, is it, the value is approximately 1.6. And at 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 you cannot find directly value, you have to change it to what? It is 2 pi by 3 plus sine 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 means pi plus 5 by 3. Let us split it. When it is changing sign function is moving, sign plus, so it is minus because it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative, so it gives sign minus sine pi by 3. Is it? You know that how to operate sine pi plus pi by 3. It is pi plus third quadrant. Is it? It is third quadrant. It is in third quadrant. Third quadrant means it is minus, so it is minus, sign become minus. If we substitute the value, we will get a value of 1.294, and sine 2 pi, it is 6 point. So clearly shows that the maximum value is 6 point. So it is 2 pi at 2 pi, and minimum value is 0. Minimum value is 0. Is it? At x is equal to 0. Is it clear?